I had an ex 100 years back spitting some venom.
Her on-screen chemistry with someone.
That is TMI, too much information.
Which producer is the most toxic to deal with?
कैसे मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ कुछ?
When I started dating, she was not an actor.
कौन से डायरेक्टर भी प्रोड्यूसर बने?
हाँ, producer साहब.
करण, everything I am answering, तू भी तो पी कुछ.
Suddenly cameras आ गए.
Karam was home sleeping.
No, bad question. Next
नहीं
question.
bad question नहीं, पीना पड़ेगा.
ये लो चटका. फीड पे सिर्फ खाना होता है. 15 साल पहले खत्म हो गया था. जो हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन का सेल होगा ना इंडिया का, उनके पास भी इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगी जितनी मोहम्मद के पास इंफॉर्मेशन होगी.
Not crushes.
एक नाम बताना.
मोहम्मद, who is your favorite नागिन?
तो सीजन 3 देखने के बाद पता ही चल जाएगा ना.
Have you bitched me and Karan out ever?
No.
मुझे आया चटक. Cut the camera right now.
Hi Surbhi and Karan, how are you?
Hi Mohammed, we're very well.
Welcome to Honestly Why Not. So this is our first segment where we are gonna ask you a few questions. You're gonna say whether it's true or a lie. This segment is called as Unmasked. Okay?
Unmasked.
Yeah. Surbhi, the first question is it true you have rejected projects because the male lead wasn't your vibe?
False.
Karan, is it true you were low-key intimidated by Surbhi's fan following when you started dating?
No, when I started dating, she was not an actor.
Oh,
Yeah. So
False.
I never had that.
okay. Surbhi, is it true you have had a crush on a co-star while being in relationship?
Yeah. True.
True? Who was that?
Crushes.
You said
Not crushes.
no, Mohammed. You said only true and false. We
Yeah.
will not reveal beyond
Yeah,
that.
detail.
Acha.
That is TMI. Too much information.
Karan, you have ever been insecure about her on-screen chemistry with someone?
Never. In fact, I used to crave for those chemistries because
Yeah.
पहले से ही बहुत shocking. I like to watch her with some good background score, good music, and some
Okay.
really good-looking guys.
Surbhi, you have ever used your busy shoot schedule excuse to avoid a fight?
To avoid a fight.
Yeah.
Fight with Karan.
Yeah.
So explain this to me, as in.
Like sometime the fight is happening.
Yeah.
You'll just say, Karan, I'm busy shooting. Allow me 10 minutes. ऐसे हुआ कभी?
No, I love getting into a fight, very honestly.
Okay.
Because
Starting a fight बोल दो.
initiating a fight.
Okay.
So it's false, but yeah, I think मैं थोड़ी गुस्सैल किस्म की.
Surbhi, do you think TV actors are still looked down upon compared to film actors?
True.
Is it true that you both have a no acting with exes clause in your marriage?
No acting with exes.
Exes. Okay, I've never had an ex from the industry, very
Okay.
honestly. So I've never had an ex. I had an ex 100 years back because me and Karan have been practically together for 16 years.
I kind of axed her ex actually.
Yeah.
Axed the ex. So he was not from the industry, and also we've been in a relationship long enough.
Okay.
So,
Karan, do you genuinely believe Surbhi is a better performer than the current Nagins on television?
I haven't watched any of the Nagins before her and after her because मैंने Nagin देखा ही था इनकी वजह से very honestly. So I think she's a very good performer. All the others are equally good if they are there. So I'm sure they're good.
Okay, for both, have you ever paid for a PR agency to plant a happy couple story to bury a real life argument?
we don't have too much news around us, very honestly.
Yeah.
But I've never had any
So do you want to create one?
to have a मतलब अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारे हम लोग ऐसे हम लोग नहीं I don't think so ऐसा कुछ है.
Okay. Karan, Alia Bhatt famously said Suhagrat is a myth because everyone is too tired. Were you both also exhausted?
Yeah, because we were planning our own wedding. तो
Okay.
सुहागरात जैसी कोई चीज हुई नहीं थी.
कोई नहीं.
We slept. We were exhausted.
We
We
were
were tired. We were hosting our guests.
And we woke up in the morning because we wanted कि सब चले जाएं सारे guests next day कि मेरा होटल का एक और दिन का बिल ना बने.
हाँ, we were managing the payments also ना तो सारे check sign कर रहे थे.
तो वो सब थे.
Did you demand a hike in your last contract just because you knew the production couldn't find a replacement? Surbhi?
Listen, I demand the money that I feel I deserve, very honestly. But I'll tell you also one fact about me. I am also quite an adjusting actor. If I think that I see कि ये project में मेरा फ़ायदा होगा या कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसके ख्वाब मैंने देखे और मैं वो अल्टीमेटली करने वाली हूँ उनके साथ काम, आई एम ओके टू बर्ज ऑन माई फीस. सो I'm flexible that way.
Okay. That's all for Unmask It.
Yes. So we were good?
Yeah, you were good. So we'll go to other segment now.
Okay.
This segment is very special. It's like sip or spill. If you sip it, you're gonna drink like a poison. If you don't, then you have to come out in a poison way. Okay? So either ways, you're gonna get it.
अरे बाप रे.
Name a production house you have worked with that treats its actors so poorly.
All the best, baby. कौन सा वाला पीना है वो बता दो.
मैं पूरा नहीं पीऊंगी. मैं इसे चटक लूंगी because red chili sauce मेरी favorite है.
Surbi, name a role you regret saying no to.
I don't know, still don't know. Maddock is a dream production house, one of the productions I want to work with. So there was a show that came to me Netflix के लिए, but it was a character which I was not convinced about. So sometimes I contemplate that कि मुझे करना चाहिए था कि नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो मैं ये सच बता रही हूँ. पर वो उस character में मेरे लिए कोई meat था नहीं. So yeah.
Name one celebrity who tried flirting with you in a party while Karam was home sleeping.
Why home sleeping? मैं वहीं बाजू में भी होऊंगा तो भी फ्लर्ट कर लेता हूँ.
हम यार पता है क्या है, आप जब 14 घंटे, और ये फैक्ट है, इसमें कुछ स्पिल और ये सभी मानेंगे, जब आप 14-13 घंटे टाइम स्पेंड करते हो ना अपने एक्टर्स, को एक्टर्स सबके साथ, एक फैमिली तो बन ही जाती है, बॉन्ड भी बन जाता है. प्लस देयर इज वेरी हेल्दी फ्लोटिंग till the time you know that you're not crossing that line. So every time I've had friends who've just kind of had a lovely time, who've flirted, चाहे करण हो ना हो, and healthy, nothing cheap, nothing.
Understood.
मतलब there's nothing bad about it. It's like, if I really like your hair or whatever, man, you're the cutest or you're the hottest, you smell nice, ये सब मतलब मेरे बच्चों वाली flirting.
ठीक
तो
है.
मैंने कभी भी I've never gone overboard with even the flirting. So
Name an actor you had too much comfort shooting romantic scenes with.
all my actors, they made me really feel very comfortable. I can't even name one because मुझे ऐसे किसी के साथ भी नहीं लगा कि मैं awkward हूँ. And I have liked one thing that all the shows have done it. चाहे वो इश्बाज हो, नागिन हो, शेरदिल भी हो, चाहे संजीवनी हो. हाँ, I feel मैं जब भी कुछ ऐसा सीन करते थे तो मुझे आके सबसे अच्छी बात थी पूछते थे, you're okay ना, you're okay ना. So I feel it's all the boys I've worked.
आई फील ये क्वेश्चन आपने बहुत जल्दी पूछ लिया है. 4 महीने बाद ये क्वेश्चन पूछते तो और अलग जवाब मिलता.
क्यों?
पता चला 4 महीने बाद.
हाँ, पता चलेगा.
Karan, name the actor who tried to use his friendship with you to bypass an audition for Feel Good Studios.
Ooh.
Friendship with me to bypass an audition?
Yeah.
No, yeah, nobody, very honestly, because right now we are very, very new, and we've been trying to make a team who we've been, I mean, जिनको हम जानते हैं, and we know that those people need that opportunity. तो हमने सामने से जाके उनसे बोला है कि please come and be a part of it. Nobody has been.
In fact, Shiny, we've always wanted to work with. When we did one song with her, and she was very kind to do it.
Also, the team, the other
crew,
the cast, the other cast, like Neha has been part of this, and Neha also wanted to make a comeback, and very sweetly she agreed to be a part of this show. Yeah.
ऐसा कोई नहीं.
Who is the most overpaid actor in the TV industry right now?
यार हम लोग की इंडस्ट्री में ओवरपे तभी किया जाता है जब वो डिलीवर कर रहे हो, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो जो
फिर
शोज
भी
के
एक
टॉप
name.
शोज हैं अभी, आई एम श्योर जिनको जो पैसे मिल रहे होंगे वो उनकी दे डिजर्व इट.
Okay, I'll put a question another way. In your all shows, whom do you think is overpaid actor? कि इसको कुछ ज्यादा ही मिल गया है फालतू का टाइम.
सारे शोज में से कौन सा ओवरपेड एक्टर?
मेरे को किसी की फीस कैसे पता मोहम्मद, मुझे नहीं पता सच्ची. बट आपको समझ आ ही जाता है कि पैसे मिलते ही हैं. ऑफ कोर्स एक तो वो पे पैरिटी भी होती है, बहुत सारी एस्पेक्ट्स हैं.
Karan, according to you, if your production fails, who is the first person in the industry who would celebrate? Both of them answer.
Lots, I think.
Yeah.
Lot of people.
Which they shouldn't, but yeah, unfortunately ऐसा ही है कि
Who is that? One person name.
कैसे पता हमें ना, but I sometimes feel that we don't celebrate wins.
as much as we celebrate other people's
Losers,
failures, and that's not in this industry, that's everywhere.
Everywhere. मतलब हम चाहते ही हैं कि उसका ना नुकसान हो, हम चाहते हैं कि उसके साथ ना बुरा हो, हम चाहते हैं कि उसको इतना अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट क्यों मिला और मैं क्यों नहीं हूँ उसमें.
But we've been, I would say that in that way we are very lucky, because we try to help as many people as we can in this journey.
Yeah.
तो
By
हमारे
creating opportunities.
या by creating opportunities. तो हमारे बारे में अगर कोई भी बुरा सोचे तो वो परसेंटेज बहुत कम होगा उन लोगों का.
Name one co-star of Surbhi you were jealous of.
I was not jealous of anybody. I used to like all her co-stars.
यही तो दुख है.
Name one celebrity couple you think is totally fake. अब मत बोलना पता नहीं है, तू भी इस इंडस्ट्री के पता तो होगा.
क्या पीऊं क्या?
हाँ पी ना, वो सोया सॉस पी ले फिर.
सुशी ले लो उसके साथ.
सुशी भी तो मंगवाना चाहिए था फिर.
वो खा लेते ना फिर. नाम ही बता दे कोई.
कोई है नहीं, मेरे जहन में बहुत सारा नाम है फिर तो.
तो बता दे बहुत
ऐसे
सारे.
कैसे? अच्छा पहले मेरे को 50 मुसीबतों में भी डाल दिया है. ये लो चटका.
Name the one director you once looked up to but realized is a total fake after meeting them as a producer. ये बता.
ये कौन से डायरेक्टर भी प्रोड्यूसर बने?
नहीं, after becoming a producer,
अच्छा.
he's saying after you met a lot of directors and you
Yeah.
thought that
You
they're
realize that they are fake directors.
fake directors.
यार पता है हाँ, मैं जो डायरेक्टर की संख्या है ना, मतलब इट्स मतलब मैं किसी का नाम लूं पता भी नहीं होगा किसी को. तो डायरेक्टर की आपको पता है टीवी में कौन से डायरेक्टर है? नाम बताओ.
मुझे पता है मुजम्मिल.
मैंने उनके साथ काम ही नहीं किया.
Who has done now who's doing
मेरे नागिन में थे,
क्योंकि
सर.
नागिन वही सब किया है मुजम्मिल.
ऐसे मैं कोई नाम लूं फिर पता ही नहीं चले. नो बैड क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट
नहीं
क्वेश्चन.
बैड क्वेश्चन नहीं, पीना पड़ेगा.
अरे नहीं बैड.
नहीं थोड़ा तो
अरे
पता
थोड़ा
है.
तो पीना पड़ेगा.
बैठे हो तो कुछ भी
ये हो गया,
करते
ये हो
नाम तो पता
गया.
है.
हाँ अब
ऐसे
बनेगा.
नहीं कि तेरी जिंदगी में पूरे में एक डायरेक्टर भी मिला तुझे जो फेक नहीं था, सब रियल थे और सब काम देते गए. द क्वेश्चन वाज
डायरेक्टर
दैट.
थोड़ी ना काम देता है, डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर काम देता है.
तो कोई
मोहम्मद-
डायरेक्टर तुझे मीटिंग किया होगा ना.
नहीं ऐसा जिसने मुझे बहुत सारी प्रॉमिसेस की.
हाँ.
मैं ऐसी कैफे कॉफी डे वाली मीटिंग्स में जाती नहीं हूँ जहाँ पे
ठीक है.
सब बैठते हैं और बोलते प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि आपका trajectory
agreement.
है, कल है.
इन्फिनिटी वाला, इन्फिनिटी वॉल वाला.
हाँ, वो.
If you had to delete one show from your IMDb because it was that bad, which one is it?
None. All
All of them
shows
were
I
good,
said
yeah.
are
All
very
shows.
good shows. वो चले नहीं चले सेकेंडरी है. बट हम
Which show चला ही नहीं?
यार संजीवनी भी बहुत एवरेज चला और शेरदुल शेरगिल भी बहुत एवरेज चला.
Yeah.
नागिन हम लोगों का जोड़ी वो सुपर हिट जोड़ी. बट वो अब उसका जो 6 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था वो किया हमने, लेकिन वो आया भी बहुत ट्रिकी टाइम पे था, कोविड के टाइम पे. तो हम ही कुछ ऐसे 3-4 शोज थे जो हम तो बबल में नहीं शूट कर रहे थे, बट तो बहुत ही उस टाइम पे आया. प्लस जब एकदम पीक हो गया टीआरपी का नागिन में, शरद को कोविड हो गया. सो ऐसी चीज़ें भी हुई हैं. बट इफ यू हैव टू चूज जो शो बहुत ओके चले बिलो एवरेज टाइप विद संजीवनी एंड शेरदुल शेरगिल.
Which producer is the most toxic to deal with in terms of payments and logic?
जैसे मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ कुछ? मैं कुछ नहीं
तुझे
बोलूँ.
पैसे देने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा तंग कौन
मुझे
किया?
आज तक कभी तकलीफ नहीं हुई. टच वुड
ठीक
बाबा.
है.
एंड आई आल्सो वांट टू बी दैट प्रोड्यूसर जो टाइमली लोगों के पेमेंट्स क्लियर
हाँ.
करे. सो या
Which TV couple's happy marriage is the biggest PR scam you have seen behind the scenes?
वो स्कैम तो पता चल ही जाता है ना कुछ दिनों बाद.
हाँ.
देन
फिर तो खबरें बाहर आ ही जाती हैं.
तुझे ऐसा कौन सा स्कैम पता है किसका?
मुझे ज़्यादा समझ नहीं है अभी आजकल के टीवी कपल्स कौन है रे करो यार. पर मुझे कुछ ऐसे कपल्स भी पता है जो बहुत ही पावर कपल बनने की कोशिश करते हैं और फिर दूसरी जगहों पर जाके दूसरी लड़कियों के साथ
एक नाम बताना.
पावर वहाँ दिखाते हैं.
एक नाम बताना.
पावर वहाँ दिखाते हैं. तो
वेनिगर ऐसे चाक के क्या मिला सच में बता.
मुझे आया चटक.
इसके अंदर थोड़ा प्याज
ऐसा है.
डाल दो.
Name a rumor about your relationship that was true.
करण एवरीथिंग आई एम आंसरिंग. तू भी तो पी कुछ.
रूमर क्या था हमारे बारे में? पीपल केम टू नो वेरी लेट अबाउट हर बीइंग विद समवन. आई डोंट थिंक देयर वाज एनी रूमर अबाउट अस.
टेक एनी इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन गूगल.
या इट वाज आई थिंक
हम द मोस्ट लेस स्कैंडलस कपल है. मोस्ट लेस मतलब एकदम ही.
As a producer, who is the characterless guy in the TV industry?
मुझे क्या
कुछ भी
ये क्वेश्चन कहीं और से आया है.
ये खत्म हो चुका है.
अरे बाप रे
और बहुत पहले खत्म हो गया था.
ये तेरे क्वेश्चन
हाँ, ये
थे
सब
करण
खत्म
के.
15 साल पहले खत्म हो गया था. लेकिन ये अभी भी ऐसे सवाल अंदर. प्लीज टेल मी मोस्ट स्कैंडलस वाज दिस वाज दैट. मोहम्मद वी नो ऑल योर टैक्टिक्स. ओके I hope you had a good time with us.
Yeah.
Now I should ask him and then I'll tell him to sip.
हाँ मैडम.
Okay. Wait. Now give me. Where is
क्या
the?
चाहिए?
Where is the
अंदर
one?
गया वो.
हाँ. Surbi. Wait.
हाँ.
Name the production house you know of that treats the actors poorly.
Treats the actors poorly. No, I don't know any. No, because I have not worked with any production house. How will I know, Karan?
अच्छा, you have all the information. I think जो हमारी information का सेल होगा ना इंडिया का, उनके पास भी इतनी information नहीं होगी जितनी मोहम्मद के पास information होती है.
ये actors को poor.
क्या बोलो? नहीं, sip now, drink.
नहीं, but
I will choose a drink for you.
that was not related to me, no. Us.
Who is the most overpaid actor in the TV industry right now?
Who is the most? Gaurav Khanna.
According to you, if your stint at Balaji fails, who is the celeb friend of yours who will be more than happy that you're out of Balaji?
That I'm out of Balaji.
If it fails ever, God forbid, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. ये questions आपने मुझसे पूछा.
मतलब if I.
Today you are shifting jobs, maybe. If today you are with Balaji, tomorrow you're working with somebody else, and there is some beef that has happened here. कौन सा आपका ऐसा दोस्त है जो इस चीज को बहुत मनाएगा? देख, ये तो ऐसा शो ऑफ कर रहा था, मैं यहाँ हूँ, अभी कहीं और है.
I think they are not my friend, but I think happily Tejas will be more happy. क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा टिप उसी के साथ हुआ है मेरा.
Which TV couple's happy marriage is the biggest PR scam you've seen behind the scenes?
Behind the scenes.
चल, forget behind the scenes. Who do you think कि PR पे दिखते हैं? Oh my God, they're getting spotted, getting all of this, and then ultimately it's just PR stunt. If not, then ready up to vinegar you'll have to drink.
ऐसे कौन कपल है? ये शादी वाला कपल तो मुझे नहीं पता.
अच्छा, non marriage वाला couple.
Non-marriage overrated. I think Karan Tejasvi. ये तू भी बोलने वाली थी यार.
बस तेरा काम
तुझे भी
हो
ना
गया.
बताऊं क्या?
रख दे. हो गया, तेरा काम हो
ऐसा
गया.
कुछ काम नहीं हुआ है. Which producer do you think, and you've heard from your industry friends, is the most toxic to deal with in terms of payment?
In terms of payment, no, I have not heard. जो नहीं है सच में, I have not heard.
ठीक है. Name a rumor about your relationship that was true.
About my relationship, there was no rumor.
Within your circle.
No, there was no rumor. Have you heard something? No,
No.
there was no rumor.
So you give us the gossip then about relationship.
Whose relationship?
Your relationship.
I'm single.
Are you ready to mingle?
No.
So that means he's not single. Name one celebrity couple you think is totally fake.
Totally fake.
मिल गया ना उसका आंसर.
हाँ, मिल गया ना, वही
मिल
है.
गया?
इतनी बार एक ही नाम.
सेम पूछ, उसको मिल नहीं रहा है ना कुछ भी.
Okay, you didn't drink even one sip, so ठीक है, कोई नहीं. But you were good.
But I gave good answers. I gave true answers.
ये तब प्रूव होगा जब मैं ये एडिट पे देखूंगी और यहाँ पे सब रखा होगा.
ठीक है, कुछ कटेगा नहीं. And let's go to other segment.
Okay, let's go.
So this segment is तेरे मेरे बीच में, where yeah,
हम तीनों
हमारे बीच में.
Here I'll ask you a few questions which you need to answer it, and same goes to me. You can ask few where I'll answer it. Surabhi, you have dated for 13 years before getting married. Was long wait because of love, or is there any other reason?
He didn't want to marry me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then why suddenly you said yes?
नहीं, because हम दोनों बहुत occupied थे हमारे individual careers में. I mean, not many people know, but my career has been like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes up there, sometimes down. So I was not very mentally stable to commit because दिमाग में तो we were married already. That was not a doubt. But I wanted to be stable in life, and that's when I wanted to take the responsibility. But then I think something changed all of a sudden, and we said that let's do it.
अरे 32, 33, 32, 33 के होंगे तो शादी अल्टीमेटली तो करनी पड़ेगी ना.
That only changed.
40 में करना है तो बता दे. तो then we ultimately said no, चल फट we planned everything. Say December we planned everything. In March we were getting married.
Yeah.
Her mom initiated the conversation actually.
सर बेटा कुछ तो करो मतलब.
नहीं कुछ तो करो नहीं. I was casually sitting at a house. We were chit chatting, and then her mom comes up to me and said, "बेटा अभी शादी के भी discussion कर लेते हैं." And I was like, ये all of a sudden ये कहाँ से आ गया? And I was like,
bomb drop हुआ है.
हाँ, and I was like कि हाँ आंटी आप मेरी मम्मी पापा से बात कर लो इस बारे में.
Oh, like a nice boy. So yeah.
Okay.
Then we ended up getting married.
What is the most scandalous or public place you two have ever gotten intimate?
Everywhere. मतलब ऐसा कोई.
So he is very high on PDA.
या मतलब मैं ज़्यादा देखता नहीं
ये
है.
बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं पब्लिक डिस्प्ले ऑफ अफेक्शन. आई ट्राई टू टेल हिम कि भैया यहाँ ना करें आप. तो हम जब अपने ट्रिप्स और ट्रैवल करते हैं तो बट आई थिंक दैट्स द वे ऑफ us showing affection to each other, but scandalous.
I think once what happened, we were in Bandra at a coffee shop and we were just getting cozy outside the coffee shop,
Oh, yeah.
and suddenly cameras आ गए अचानक से.
और हम में से किसी ने किसी को नहीं बुलाया था. अच्छा, वो राउंड अप पे होते हैं यूजुअली. बैंड्रा का अलग टैप कल्चर है और अंधेरी के और जू के अलग टैप्स हैं. तो और सब एक दूसरे को हम जानते हैं. मीडिया इज क्वाइट फ्रेंडली विद अस आल्सो. So me and Karan, we got out of the cafe and we were just cozying up, जैसे नॉर्मल कपल की तरह. भाई शादी हुई है, क्यों नहीं करें अपने पति के साथ? अपनी पत्नी के साथ नहीं करो तो किसके साथ करोगे? अब वो to each his own. But you're just getting cozy and like, सुरभि जी, करण भाई, तो ऐसे में पीछे देखा ऐसे, oh my god, and then we were like, अच्छा ठीक है. But yeah, we जहाँ मौका मिले चौका मार लेते हैं हम लोग.
Karan, you are an entrepreneur, but you feel the industry treats you like a +1 to a star.
Yes, fortunately, I've been very welcomed by everyone. Fortunately, yeah.
right.
And yeah, I feel lucky that way. But yes, I also come with my own rules and regulations. So yeah.
No, but he's saying that do you think that people tag you as like a +1 to a star?
I don't bother. मतलब मैं वो सब चीज़ों में घुसता ही नहीं हूँ.
But आपको ऐसा
Even if they do,
लगता है?
नहीं, I don't feel it at all.
Okay.
I think he has a very in fact मैंने ये देख लिया है मोहम्मद, हमारे ही सर्कल में. मुझे ऐसा लगता है my friends are more pally, industry friends are more pally with him as opposed to me. पता नहीं, I think he just gives that
Vibe.
great energy.
And I don't
vibe.
put in too much effort also, very honestly.
So yeah, he's effortless. I believe.
Yeah. Is your production house just a hobby to stay relevant, or are you trying to replace the big players?
I don't think we're thinking about that right now. I feel we're just kind of
Fine,
making
yeah.
a ground for ourselves. We want to do good work. And I think I want to be a part, and Karan wants to be a part of good stories, good storytelling. And I think Karan बहुत wise था जब उसने मुझे बोला था कि देख, एक एक्टर की एक शेल्फ लाइफ होती है, which is a fact, right? आज मेरे पास काम है, कल नहीं है. Do you think you should have a future of your own? And something
He
in
was correct.
And yeah, something in the same industry. And I said, it's too difficult to juggle. He said, how Alia does, how everybody else does. So I said, okay. So he said, you should have your business.
Even Priyanka.
Priyanka or everybody who has, I think, a business apart from being just an artist. So then I said, Karan, okay, this is a good idea, but it is tough. So 2 साल पहले जब हमने अपना म्यूजिक लेबल खोला, I think it was just too difficult, but I think you learn with time, you evolve. We're not competing with the big players, but of course we want to build our brand.
Okay. Was the destination wedding in Jaipur more for love or for the Instagram aesthetic?
I honestly don't, very honestly, I mean, my father's from Rajasthan, but I don't fancy palaces at all. Jaipur was a convenient destination for all our relatives to, you know, reach. दिल्ली से कुछ हैं, कुछ लुधियाना से हैं, कुछ जम्मू से हैं, हम मुंबई से हैं. So it was a mid point. Palace wedding, it just fell in place. I mean, it just happened.
Yeah.
We never planned it for the Instagram thingy.
But the idea was to have a destination wedding. ये पक्का था कि मुंबई में नहीं करनी है. मैंने और करण
क्योंकि ज्यादा लोग आ जाते हैं.
हाँ
वो
भी
भी
है.
नहीं हमारी
वो है.
हमारी गेस्ट लिस्ट बहुत छोटी सी थी. 130 120, उसमें आधा तो हमारा क्रू था. हेयर मेकअप फोटोग्राफी ये वो 10 तो फोटोग्राफर्स ही थे.
I remember exactly 90 and 95 हमारे रिश्तेदार
Guests
थे,
थे,
and 25, 22, 25 was the crew.
क्रू. बट हमारा रोका भी गोवा में हुआ था, तो we fancy कि हम
Because
ऐसे
the
कुछ
idea of
destination
these rituals and a vacation sounds very fascinating. ना कि रोका है तो I called it rocation. I remember.
Yeah.
So we did a vacation plus roka in Goa.
Yeah. Who is the gatekeeper of the money in Feel Good Studios, the actor or the entrepreneur?
The actor.
The actor.
I am amazing at see, his math is very good. वो finance बहुत अच्छा है.
Like my calculations are good, but I'm not good at keeping money. मेरे हाथ में आया पैसे तो
वो
जाएंगे
उड़ेगा.
ऐसे.
But very honestly, I think I'm very wise with finance.
Yeah.
मैं थोड़ी कंजूस भी हूँ. मैं नंबर 2 हूँ, तो मेरा थोड़ा सा वो स्ट्रीक है कंजूसी वाला.
Okay. Do you feel the TV industry owes you more prestige roles now that you have been a leading lady for a decade?
TV has been very welcoming, and TV is still very welcoming. There is a lot of stuff that keeps coming to me. and I'm very grateful for my journey on television. But I have my dreams, my desires, and I wish to do some work on the web platform and on some platforms that I've always dreamt of being on, which I am working on currently. So, but मैंने टीवी को बहुत अच्छे से जूस आउट किया अपने टाइम में. मैंने हर टाइप का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया. मैंने इमेजिन नहीं किया था मैं नागिन बन सकती हूँ, मैं नागिन बनी. मैंने इमेजिन नहीं किया था मैं एक डॉक्टर प्ले कर सकती हूँ, मैंने संजीवनी किया. एक बबली दिस होल हाई ऑन एनर्जी लड़की इशबाज में थी मैं. फिर मैंने एक एंटरप्रेन्योर का काम भी किया शेरदिल में. सो आई हैव प्लेड वेरिड रोल्स एंड आई एम वेरी happy that I explored. I didn't want to like restrict myself.
Who is your favorite co-actor till now?
I think I had a lovely time with everybody. I've made friends and वो सारे दोस्त मेरे आज तक हैं. इशबाज के तो बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं जो आज तक मेरे दोस्त
But
हैं.
एक best.
From my current show Psycho Saiya, Anuj Singh Dhaka.
Okay.
He's a very nice. He's my very close buddy. अच्छा लड़का है और बहुत मस्त है और गिव एंड टेक अच्छा लगता है मुझे ऐसे एक्टर्स के साथ.
Okay. Do you think the industry is progressive or just better at hiding its internal politics?
What do you have to think about? I don't know what to say about this because if you talk about content and progression, then they don't go hand in hand because the audience still is not very, I kind of feel receptive. वो नहीं देखना चाहती. जैसे मैं आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव शो वेयर IVF से बच्चा हुआ था मुझे शो में कॉल्ड शेरदिल. बट ऑडियंस ने एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया ऐसी लड़की को. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कंटेंट वी स्टिल काइंड ऑफ lacking. But I like the producers taking that effort, like us. I also feel and like Balaji giving us the platform. जो हमारा शो अभी आ रहा है इश्दम और इडली रसम, a slight
promotion
punching in. But जो बालाजी की YouTube शो पेज पे आने वाला है is a very Gen Z today's
time और date भी बता दो.
today's audience. It's a very today's show. And I'm so glad that हमारे पास platforms हैं. YouTube is a platform जहाँ पे हर type के audience है, right? So things are opening up. So in terms of progression in content, where we're all the way 50-50, and in terms of internal politics, spicy. यार पॉलिटिक्स हर जगह मतलब
Okay.
आपको भी पता है, हमें भी पता है, सबको ही पता है.
So we have played everything from a sanskari bahu to a nagin. Does Karan ever ask you to bring a specific character's energy or costume into the bedroom? To spice
Do
up things?
you fancy that?
Nagin
Would be
in bed.
interesting.
Yeah.
Spitting some venom. Rats.
Yeah.
No, हम लोग की कुछ ऐसी
We have
Fantasies
different
नहीं.
kind of fantasies in the bedroom. Not
Nagin and
Not
sanskari.
Nagin
no.
and Sanskari.
Yeah.
oh, that is good for television.
New show Ishq Dam or Idli Rasam. What do you want to say?
I have a lot to say, and it's like a lot of emotions being bottled up. I mean, I'm too. I get very emotional thinking about it. हर किसी का सबसे पहला प्रोजेक्ट या पहला शो बहुत ही दिल के करीब होता है, उसके बच्चे के जैसा होता है, बच्चा ही होता है
Yeah.
और आप उस पर सीख ही रहे होते हो. और किसी का आप पे ट्रस्ट दिखाना इज़ अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट इन इट्स सेल्फ. सो आई काइंड ऑफ फील इसमें कुछ छुपाने वाली बात नहीं है बिकॉज मैं बालाजी के या ऑनेस्टली वाई नॉट के साथ बैठी हूँ. बट आई फील दैट इट्स ऑफकोर्स बीन अ राइड विच हैड इट्स अप्स एंड डाउन्स, स्टिल इज लाइक दैट. बट टू वेलकम यू एंड टू show that trust in you and to show that kind of comfort, I think we're somewhere now. It's a family. It's हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी responsibility कि we have to deliver a very good show for Balaji. So it's a lot of things. Yeah, it's just too much, Mohammed. I feel I've made connections. I've met you through this. I mean, I've met you through awards and all of that.
Yeah.
But never known you so personally. And I feel जब मैं कहीं भी अब मैं सेट पे होती हूँ और आधी मेरे बालाजी की टीम सेट पे होती है ना, तो मुझे लगता है सो इनके साथ मैं नागिन कर रही थी जहाँ मेरा शायद इतना इंटरेक्शन नहीं था, और आज मैं इनके साथ काम कर रही हूँ और ऑफिस में घंटों घंटों हम बैठते हैं, मीटिंग्स में मिलते हैं.
He said that. हम जब बात कर रहे थे that she was one point she was sitting in the vanity as an actor and now she's working as a
Yeah.
producer. So
It's just
So it's very different,
surreal, and
yeah.
it's a dream that I had never visioned. But I feel Karan has a very very important part to play in this. मैं बहुत अलग किस्म की इंसान हूँ और करण कुछ ज़्यादा ही अलग इंसान है, and I feel he's made a very good connection with the team at Balance.
Yeah, because it's like give and take.
Yeah.
However you are, and managing things is one of the most important role
Yeah.
which he's playing, and he's doing good.
Yeah.
So now you ask.
Mohammed, who is your favorite Nagin? Huh?
My favorite Nagin.
You keep asking us these spicy questions. You tell us.
My favorite Nagin is you want a good Nagin or a bad Nagin?
Both.
Okay. So see,
Ah.
I like Nagin in a way. Ada Khan,
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
and Moni,
Yeah.
and your season. Apart from that, I have not watched any season. This season, I'm watching it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Priyanka is doing good.
Yeah.
This
Very
season.
nice.
I did not watch 2-3 seasons. Rest all I have watched.
You said you will also answer the bad one.
Ada.
Other? Huh?
बैड नागिन मतलब
मतलब
एक्टर में नहीं
अरे।
था मतलब वो कैरेक्टर बैड नागिन था ऐसा वैसा हाँ
Okay. Karan, what do you have to ask Mohammed?
ask Mohammed. Nothing. Yeah, see, मेरे लिए तो ज़्यादा कुछ spicy नहीं. You would know better.
मैं तो
I
सबसे
think.
पहला
हाँ,
spicy
you
पूछ
should
लिया.
keep going.
Okay. So, which is the most fake and pretentious celebrity on the couch?
वन ऑफ द सेलिब्रिटी इन सीजन 3
Season 3 आपका आने वाला है. तो कुछ हिंट दे सकते हैं आप?
हाँ तो सीजन 3 देखने के बाद पता ही चल जाएगा
कितने स्मार्ट है. चाहते हैं हम पूरा सीजन 3 देखें, उसके बाद हम खुद समझ लें कि कौन pretentious और fake है. Okay. Third, a celebrity you say that you're really, really good friends with in front of her or his face, but you bitch him or her out with your close friends. You listen. Last answer you didn't give me the answer. तो इसलिए अभी भी you can't be diplomatic.
No, I'm not being diplomatic here, but see, I have only few celebs who is
Friends.
around me, whom I call friends, whom
Yeah.
I wish to talk to them.
Yeah.
But I don't bitch about them because if I feel something, I'm gonna tell them on their face. This is one of the thing which I've lost also few of my friends because I tell them कि ये मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा, ये मत करना. And even in office, I think many of my team members knows this. Certain time they feel it's rude, but I tell them मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, this is so bad what's happening around. So I be that. I can't keep it like I can't tell back, but I can speak it back. Okay, this person have done this. This is not right. We can correct it. But I can't be fake with them. I'll be like, okay, if you are there, you're there. If you're not there, then you have never meant to be there. So I be this.
Okay, your tightest celebrity, either from television or web or films, who you genuinely have a very, very close bond with.
Shiny, Rupali, Urvashi.
All three of them.
Yeah, all three very close. Urvashi, I can talk anytime. Rupali, even at midnight, 2 o'clock, I can call her the ऐसे से हुआ है. She's the first person to do it. Shiny, 24 hours. Anytime I can call her. And Shiny is like since 6 years. I just posted for her. 6 years we are together.
Really?
Yeah.
How come?
Shiny and me, during her marriage also I was there.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, this we'll talk after the.
Yeah. So Shiny is 6 years. Rupali again 5 years.
Oh, nice.
And UD is 1 year.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So Shiny is
Long
one of the
relationships.
oldest relationship among all, and she's always there. Even whatever time, no matter what, even Lavish, that matter, they are there. Both of them. And Rupali Di is like all the time she's available. Even in night 2 o'clock, if I call her the SS, she tries to give me explanation. Ke aise nahi aise, this is right. So these three are continuously there.
Okay, the hottest male actor on television currently or from the past?
Hottest male actor on the past or currently? Currently, I think Arjun Bijlani.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
he is hot.
Okay.
हाँ.
एंड लड़कियों में कोई टीवी एक्टर जो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ही स्टनिंग है, पास्ट प्रेजेंट?
Past, present, बहुत stunning है.
स्टनिंग है, हॉट है.
नहीं, because all are sanskari bahus, no, so they were not looking
आप उसको
hot.
इमेज में देखते ही नहीं हो. Okay.
But at your Ishq Baz, everyone were Gen Z. The
Yeah.
show
Yeah,
was
yeah,
very
very good
nice,
looking,
and the guys जो भी getup था, ये Kunal का and the other guy
Yeah.
was fair. You all were playing, but every day it was a routine for the people to watch the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a very
It
stylish
was
show.
very so she's running, झूमर से
Yeah.
बच्चा गिर रहा है,
हाँ,
balloons
हाँ,
गिर रहे
हाँ,
हैं,
बहुत
ये
ही
भाग रही है.
visually-
It was very
visually
nice
good looking
show.
show
हाँ, good looking, and all the people were very good looking.
And well casted also.
And also they bought the trend of this पूरे लोग साथ में same कपड़े. These
कपड़े
guys only
पहनने का
bought.
is so
These guys
right.
bought the
Yeah.
trend to the
So
team.
काफी shows
Yeah.
फिर वो follow करने लगे कि सब
हाँ,
purple
सब
में है तो सब
purple में
में
आओ.
है.
Even the दादी was wearing purple.
Purple.
Everyone,
Theme
this
होता था colour
theme.
का.
So they
Very
bought that
Yeah.
theme kind of and different kind of zoner to the TV.
Last question
Yeah,
as
Arif.
well. Have you bitched me and Karan out ever?
No.
ये झूठ
I have not bitched, but yeah, I have given some suggestions to some of my team members to when it comes to the promotion part, how we need to do it, and rest there is no bitching about it. In fact, more than you, I speak to Karan.
I know that.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, I also on the camera want to say instrumental in helping us kind of casting for the show. The
And
man
otherwise
behind
also.
and otherwise
Thank you,
also
thank you.
quite helpful is Mohammed.
Thank you. That was for Tere Mere Beech Mein. Now we are gonna go for one of the danger zone of the segment. That's
Oh, I
rapid
like.
fire. This is our favorite round, which is called rapid fire round.
Yeah.
ठीक है. सुरभि तुमसे स्टार्ट करते हैं. Better on screen chemistry नकुल मेहता और शरद मल्होत्रा.
Both.
एक बताना.
अरे बट मेरे को अवार्ड दोनों के लिए मिले.
Award का
लोगों
मत
ने
ले.
बहुत
मैं बता-
प्यार-
करण बता दे भाई.
Nakul.
नकुल.
Okay.
One show you regret doing. इशकबाज और नागिन 5.
None. जो फैक्ट है.
ठीक है. If you had to delete one co-star from your show, who it would be? नकुल, शरद और धीरज. जल्दी बता.
3. Number 3.
धीरज. Acting talent rank नकुल, शरद, कुणाल जयसिंह.
शरद, नकुल, कुणाल.
Okay. One thing you hate, Karan's business logic.
कि इसको तो मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि पेड़ है पैसे का.
Okay. TV versus OTT, where is the real respect?
एवरीवेयर.
एक बताना.
पर अरे मैं OTT अभी तो शुरू ही नहीं किया इतना ज्यादा काम करना.
जहाँ से शुरू
पर
किया
मैंने
ज्यादा.
अपना रिस्पेक्ट कमा लिया.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
More overrated TV fame or Instagram fame?
More
Overrated.
हाँ.
TV fame or Instagram fame?
क्या?
Yeah, other one, Instagram fame, of
Instagram
course.
फेम ना.
Rate Karan's performance in bed on a scale 1 to 10.
Good 9.
9?
Yeah, 8.59.
8.59. उसमें भी डेढ़ तूने बचा
हाँ
लिया.
तो मैं
हाँ,
वो
बचा.
पूरी क्यों दूँ?
कंजूस है ना.
कंजूस
One
हूँ.
co-star who thinks they are hotter than they are.
They are hotter than they are.
Yeah.
वो आपकी पहली लिस्ट थी ना जो जिसमें अपने नंबर 3 पूरा
धीरज धूपर. A role you deserved but didn't get.
No, this I am not saying. Not even Karan is saying. Baba, please don't. We're just having a good time before people come and like start shooting guns at us.
A role you deserved but didn't get.
यार ये अभी तो फिर बहुत सारे शोज जिनके लिए मैंने टेस्ट किया और मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार मैं ये अच्छा कर सकती थी. अब मुझे याद नहीं है वो सब. बट
ठीक है.
या
TV industry supportive or secretly competitive?
इट्स एक्चुअली बैलेंस ऑफ बोथ.
One actor you would love to be paired with purely for chemistry.
कुणाल खेमू.
Who is more high maintenance for you, Karan or you?
Karan.
Okay.
Karan.
One celebrity you would never share your vanity van with.
I don't share my vanity vans anywhere with
No, but you have to
anybody.
tell one name.
I take one van only for myself and I have my stuff.
हाँ प्रोड्यूसर साहब. हाँ.
अभी तुम दे रहे हो ना 1/2.
I work नहीं.
अभी अभी
ऐसा
बताओ.
मैं मेरा
प्रोड्यूसर होने के बाद दर्द झलका.
I don't want. 1/2 क्या दे रही हूँ मैं? Vanity. किसको दिया मैंने 1/2?
एक में 2 ही लोग हैं.
किसने बोला?
मैं देखा आके.
ये सेट पे वो करने आए थे क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
रेकी.
रेकी नहीं, ऑडिटिंग. क्यूटी.
Is your life was a show, what would be called?
If my life is a show, it'll be called something to do with passion. I'm very passionate about things in life.
One person from the industry you would unfollow if you could.
From the industry.
कर दिया होगा.
यार मैं नहीं मैं एक्चुअली
कर दिया होगा कौन था?
नहीं नहीं किया नहीं है. नहीं मैं अनवांटेड लोग अपनी लिस्ट पे रखती नहीं हूँ पहली बात. एंड राइट नाउ ना आई एम इन दिस फेज ऑफ लाइफ व्हिच आई एम लविंग एंड एंजॉयिंग द मोस्ट, जहाँ मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे जाने का.
Who has more attitude, you or your on-screen characters?
Me.
Which couple is more overrated in Indian television?
In Indian television. I don't know. इतना मुझे नहीं पता.
बता ना.
मैं इतना इंडियन टेलीविजन में देख नहीं रही हूँ. मैं कोई रियलिटी शोज भी नहीं देखती हूँ. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Who is more overrated actor बता दे.
आगे बढ़ते हैं चलो.
फालतू का ड्रामा.
फालतू का ड्रामा.
Yeah.
यार पता क्या है? I'll tell you what has happened. मैं ना बहुत कट ऑफ हो गई हूँ इंडस्ट्री से. तो जो मेरा टाइम था ना बहुत अलग टाइम था. अब का टाइम मुझे नहीं पता. बट मैं कुछ कुछ पढ़ती रहती हूँ यार लोगों के
Who
टाइम.
do you see in Instagram again and you don't wish to see them in your feed?
इन माय फीड मैं ऐसे फीड रखती हूँ मेरे फीड पे सिर्फ खाना होता है.
नहीं कोई तो आता होगा, you will be like, oh God, and just go up. कौन था ये बता?
लिसन मेरे अराउंड अभी ना कुछ वैसी बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं अभी ऑफ लेट. तो हम ना ज्यादा घुसते नहीं ये सब चीजों में. आई वांट टू स्टे अवे. माय लाइफ नाउ करियर इज ओनली अबाउट प्रोड्यूसिंग एंड वर्किंग इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स दैट आई विश टू वर्क. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Okay, Karan.
ये बड़े खतरनाक क्वेश्चंस थे. लेट मी टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली.
I loved it. Huh?
Yeah. Karan, one thing about dating an actress.
One thing about it, you get recognition.
सुरभि की बात करो किसी और की.
नहीं इनके और
नहीं, मेरे एक ही
एक ही actor के साथ.
ठीक है. One thing you tolerate is because you love her.
One thing I tolerate, her temper.
Surbhi as a partner or Surbhi as a star, which is harder to handle?
Harder to handle? None. She's very
None.
easy that way.
As a producer, who is harder to manage on set, a temperamental superstar or a method actor who refuses to come out of their vanity?
The first one.
Yeah.
Okay. Which award show is the most rigged?
I used to watch award shows long back. After मतलब अभी थोड़े सालों में तो कुछ देख भी नहीं रहा हूँ मैं award shows. I
अरे
think.
मुझे लगता है जी सिने अवार्ड सॉरी बट मुझे लगता है आजकल अवार्ड्स एक्चुअली
I think वो credibility रही नहीं है.
वो
Very
क्रेडिबिलिटी
honestly.
भी नहीं. और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि जो इवेंट पे आता है और जो गेस्ट लिस्ट पे ओके हो जाता है पीआर से उनको अवार्ड दे देते हैं.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा मुझे लगता है जो फैक्ट है. अब मोहम्मद आप जानते हैं ये बात.
मुझसे better कोई नहीं जानता. What's your biggest fear in this relationship? Losing her or losing yourself?
I know I will not ever lose her, for sure, and she will not let me lose myself. So I don't know.
Rank these in order of actual acting talent. Surbhi Chandna, Hina Khan, Erica Fernandez.
Surbhi Chandna, Hina Khan, and I'm sorry, but Erica's work I haven't seen, so I cannot keep her. But yeah, Surbhi and Hina.
Name an actor in the TV industry right now who is massively overpaid and you would never sign for Feel Good Studios.
Massively overpaid and never signed for Feel Good Studios. See, I do not want to name anyone right now because you never know who I need at what point.
अगर पैसे देने पड़ गए तो दे देगा.
हाँ, अगर उनका डिमांड है, if I need her, I need her.
चल सुरभि के करियर से एक ऐसा बंदा या बंदी जिसके साथ तुम्हें काम नहीं करना है.
जिसके साथ मुझे काम नहीं करना है. I have heard a lot of stuff, so I think I would male co-star आप बता रहे हो?
Yeah.
Dheeraj, I would avoid working because I do not want to be in that particular shoes जहाँ पे मैं फंसूँ कहीं भी.
If you'd had to compete for a prime time slot,
Okay,
whose production blueprint would you rather take down?
take down.
Yeah,
Blueprint.
Asit Kumar Modi or Gul Khan?
Asit sir is from Tarak Mehta.
Tarak Mehta, I know.
and,
Of
Gul-
course, yeah. So Asit Kumar Modi, I'm sure.
No, so
Take down his
his
and
blueprint
yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
put his
Yeah,
show
yeah, yeah, yeah.
on
So
that
yes, of
particular
course.
slot is
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you'd
yeah,
like to say.
yeah.
of
You'd
course.
let Gul ma'am's show be
Yeah,
there
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
Asit
yeah.
sir's show.
Yeah, yeah.
So you want to take down Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma?
And be in that shoes, right? You're saying?
Yeah, and so what you will put there? Ishq the Midli Rasam.
Nah, many more, yeah. After Ishdam.
Yeah.
Something in that zone, maybe. Something, the society, comedy, drama.
One of the female co-star of Surbhi who hit on you.
Who hit on me?
Yeah.
None. I feel that they're all friends, very honestly, and I have not encountered till date that some of her co-star hit on me. None of
Actually,
them.
I'll vouch for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
सबको पता है मैं कितनी खतरनाक हूँ. कोई पास भी नहीं जाएंगे करण के.
One of the moment where you have slapped a female co-star.
Never. Internally?
Yeah.
बहुत बार.
कौन थी ये? किसको that was a fire question. Who was that? Internally बहुत बार.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. internally.
Yeah.
बहुत बार नहीं, अभी काफी recently, बहुत मतलब
One of the show you wish you had not worked on.
none. ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah, all did well.
I think I
all,
did.
All,
I
all
kind
were-
of feel like I'm very proud of my choices.
One of the show you wished every day you would have accompanied Surbhi with her.
Ishbaz, I think.
It's a nice fun set.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was
yeah.
a fun. He used to
I
come
was
on
all
set.
so I used to visit all her sets. Nagin, Sanjeevni, Ishbaz, Kabool.
Better
hai.
actor, Shiny or Abhishek Kumar?
Better actor. Both are good.
Yeah.
Shiny is natural, very honestly. Like she does not need time to prepare
She's also experienced.
and experience, and she is very spontaneous on set.
So much steam.
Abhishek, on the other hand, has a very huge fan following. At the same time, he is very grounded. He is willing to learn also.
He's also actually a very directors and a producer's
Yes,
actor.
yes.
So I like that. about
या एंड जिसकी होती है ना इच्छा कि मैं और सीखूं और
वो
ऐसा
है
नहीं
वो।
कि भाई मैं तो नेम लेके आया हूं तो मैं मुझे सीखने की जरूरत नहीं. सो अभिषेक इज दैट
और वो बहुत आगे जाएगा.
Yeah,
क्योंकि वो
yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
मेहनती है.
वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग वेरी
Season
ऑनेस्ट
2. Same season. Season 1 will be hit, and season 2 if it's coming. Which actors you would see on screen?
ऑन स्क्रीन फॉर द सेम आई
Yeah.
थिंक इफ सीजन 2 इज अ हिट व्हाई वुड आई नॉट
Season
कंटिन्यू
one
विद
is a
देम
hit, हाँ.
या सीजन 1 इज अ हिट व्हाई
We'll
आई वुड
continue.
कंटिन्यू देम
Yeah.
maybe
Same.
introduce more love triangles and characters which we have in mind.
If not Shiny and Abhishek, which actors you would like to cast?
Surbhi Chandan, Nakul Mehta.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
I've always had that. I mean, I used to love their on-screen pair,
Nice.
and also
He's never told
yeah.
that to me.
No, people are very much fan of that couple. You are right.
Yeah.
They can't come over
I
that.
really
That's the
enjoyed their
best thing.
chemistry, and दोनों का give and take बहुत अच्छा था.
Yeah.
And I used to also like her chemistry with Sharad.
Yes.
Nagin में.
He's. I before that when I said my chemistry with both Karan has
used to
loved
love
me and
their
Sharat
chemistry.
together in Nagin.
Yeah.
He used to watch only because इसको हमारी pairing इतनी और वो pairing बहुत super.
And they used my favorite song, Dil Ibadat, for their BGMs and all.
Yeah.
So I used to
So
love that song.
Surbhi is all time a girl like Ishqbaz, or she turns sometime like Maya of Behad.
Maya of Behad.
Behad
No,
you
no,
watched?
she's like Ishbaz only. Yeah,
Like
yeah, I understand what you're
Yeah,
saying.
I'm like a.
Yeah.
Ishqbaz
She's not
only.
obsessive, not very possessive. Yes, she can be possessive, but मैं वो मौका देता नहीं हूँ because I have I keep away from the complications of yeah. So
Okay. That's all for rapid fire round, but it was not danger, huh?
Listen.
mine
It was
not
very
danger.
easy, yeah.
Cut the camera right now.
Her was also easy.
Cut the camera right now. I want to chat with Mohammed right now.
So for your beautiful answers, we have a beautiful hamper for you, curated with your names in it.
Wow.
Can I have a hamper?
Yay.
दे दे
अच्छा हम खाली हाथ आए थे हम भरे हाथ
दे
जाएंगे.
जाएंगे. This is a beautiful hamper for you and Karan
So
both.
lovely.
It's written. It's most stylist hamper like me.
Really?
So, so it's for you.
How nice.
Thank you.
Oh,
And
this is
you
heavy.
have all the
Should I
good
open
things
it now?
inside. No, you open in your home आराम
अच्छा,
से.
ठीक है. ओ,
ठीक
क्या
है.
ताला वाला लगा इसमें?
Yeah.
पर मैं देख लेती हूँ. Sneak.
ठीक है देख ले.
Oh, nice.
It's all good things.
मैं खा भी सकती हूँ इसमें से.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for being a part of Honestly Why Not.
Thank you for having us. We
And
had a
it was
nice-
wonderful time.
It was actually
was-
chatting with a friend.
Yeah, it was like that.
And gossiping with him. Yeah.
Okay, see you soon. And all the best for your production house,
Thank
Feel Good Studios, and your show, Ishq Dum,
और
Idli Rasam.